Bum bada bum bum ka-ching, bum bada bum bum ka-ching. We are in a stock market bubble right now, and in a bubble, what happens is that money comes easy. All you need to do is IPO a company, put it on the main page of Wall Street Bets, and boom, times 10, times 100 of your money. And if you want to get some of the free money that's lying around everywhere, in fact, this video I'm going to show you exactly how by opening up accounts and depositing some money, you can get as much as like $500 to as much as $4,000 or $5,000 free just by opening accounts and depositing money. You don't even need to buy things. That's how lucrative and crazy money is right now. It's like flowing everywhere. So stay tuned. But before we can begin, let's hear a word from our sponsor. So this video is sponsored by you. If you decide to open any of these accounts, if you use my promo code, it allows you to earn free Apple shares, free cash, free Bitcoin, free dollars paid into your account at no cost to you, and it helps support this channel. So thank you. Welcome back to this video. My name is Gerald. I'm all about finance, frugal living, and investing in like crypto, stocks, options, you name it. I learn about it, I talk about it. Okay, so this video is a very controversial one because most of the time people would talk about reviews, like they would review the quality of the accounts, and a lot of people have done that. So the accounts that I'm talking about right now are all relatively well-known, popular, backed type of accounts, but what I'm really highlighting is why you need to open them right now, because the bull market is on and they are throwing money for people to open accounts. So when I start to get into the deals and how good they are, you start to appreciate how much money is lying on the floor. So that's why, please, if you haven't already, take the chance, open the account like this week and utilize this before it's gone, because if the market crashes or becomes bad, trust me, all these free hundreds and thousands of dollars, they're gonna just disappear. So let's get right onto it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is Tiger Brokers. For Tiger Brokers, right, they used to just give a stock voucher, but right now, because of the competition with Moomoo, they decide to up their reward, so you get a lot more money. So what is guaranteed though is that just by opening an account with Tiger Brokers using my referral code, you immediately get 500 Tiger coins, which you can redeem for commission-free trades, which is approximately about $3 to $5 worth. So just by opening your account, you get $3 to $5 worth, and 60 commission-free trades within the next 6 months. Additionally, if you make your first deposit, right, and the first deposit, bear in mind, you need to be more than $2,000. If you deposit $2,000, and it can be withdrawn, by the way, I kind of tried to withdraw it after I deposit. Okay. You would get 1 free Apple share, which is like $130 and 5 free Xiaomi shares. So bear in mind, these shares that you're getting, they're from quite reputable companies. So essentially you get 6 free shares worth about 200 Singapore dollars. And if you have very deep pockets, this is not known, by the way, so this is not public information, if you can deposit $300,000 in your first deposit, they give you a free Amazon share. And if you don't know, Amazon is the world's largest company right now in terms of market cap. It's worth $3,200 per share, and they're gonna give it to you for free if you can convince your mama, papa, or your rich business partner to open an account and deposit $300,000 into Tiger Broker. And that's just absolutely insane. $3,000 free just by depositing. You don't even have to trade or anything. Mind blown. In terms of reliability, Tiger Brokers is a public listed company, so they are regulated by MAS, so they are reliable, and they've been around for at least a year. So people kind of have tried. If they would have taken money, they would have taken money. They wouldn't be throwing money for free just to entice people to join their platform. So let's talk about some of the reasons that I absolutely love Tiger. So number one, it is one of the cheapest SG stockbroker. I think right now they have the exact same commission rate as compared to Moomoo if you try to buy Singapore stock. So it is my go-to platform if you want to buy Singapore stock. And the second thing I really like about Tiger Brokers is that it allows me to buy stocks on the London Stock Exchange. And if you know what's so appealing about the London Stock Exchange, if you do passive ETF investing, right, passive investing, London, buying Ireland domiciled S&P 500 index would allow you to save on basically tax. So if you buy stocks or any ETFs on the US stock market. Basically what happens is that the US would charge you a 30% dividend withholding tax if you buy the same type of ETF in the London Stock Exchange. What happens is that you save 15% of dividend withholding tax because the UK or Ireland domiciled fund have a special treaty with the US, and Singapore and Ireland or UK have very special treaty, zero withholding tax. So the savings is therefore passed on to the Ireland domiciled fund and then pass on to you. So that's why I absolutely love Tiger for this reason, and that is why I absolutely love the ability to buy ETFs on the London Stock Exchange. However, there are two very important things to note. The first thing is that when you buy or sell shares on Tiger, they do not clearly state like what is the amount of commission fees that you need to pay, even though it exists. So just bear that in mind, you're actually paying fees after the 180 days, which you don't know. And the second thing is that the cash vouchers that they give you, because they have a very lucrative referral program. If you get your friends to join, and depending on how much money your friend deposits, you get cash vouchers like up to a large amount of money. So I've got a whole bunch of vouchers if you look at it, and bear in mind these vouchers expire. They expire within like 20 days, 80 days, 30 days, so be sure to use them before they expire. A lot of people, my brother included, and one local YouTuber, Josh, their vouchers expired, so money gone, like poof. So you don't want that to happen to you. And my second lobang is the Futu SG Moomoo platform. So this is a public listed company, and it's been making headlines as the new up and coming super popular local broker in Singapore that allows you to trade with very little commission. As of now, it currently charges the same commission as Tiger Broker, so they are both essentially the cheapest brokers in Singapore, just that Moomoo is a little newer. But more importantly, they are throwing free cash for you to open account with them. So I'm going to tell you what the perks are and what I absolutely love about Moomoo platform. So bear in mind that Moomoo always changes their offers on a month-to-month basis. So for this month, from now till the 30th of June, if you deposit 2,700 Singapore dollars or 2,000 USD and make one successful trade, bear in mind you need to make that one successful trade, you would get one Apple share and unlimited commission-free trading for 180 days. So you can buy, sell, and I'm going to teach you what I do in a couple of minutes. So just bear in mind, in the past you do not need to make that one trade. Right now you need to make that one trade. So if you don't get the share. So just take note of this little detail. As always, if you're not sure, I always recommend buying and holding the ETFs. It could be the STI ETF or the S&P 500 index, but bear in mind the dividend withholding tax. And what a lot of people do not know is that if you have shares with other brokers, you can actually transfer in the brokers, and Moomoo would give you $50 cash voucher for you to transfer in the money. So bear in mind, you may have to use the cash voucher. I haven't transferred my shares in, so I don't know about this process. So do check the terms and conditions carefully, because if it expires, heart pain, money fly away, right? Additionally, Moomoo has an ultra attractive referral program in which if you can refer any friend to join Moomoo, you get a free Twitter share, which is like $60 per referral. So that's right, I'm going to ask my mom, my dad.
A few moments later.
I think you should sign up for a Moomoo account. What cow? Free money! That's right, anyone who signs up using your referral code gets you Twitter shares for free, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so what I absolutely love about Moomoo as compared to Tiger Brokers is that Moomoo allows you to underwrite options, and this is probably something that most other review critics do not actually speak about. And why is underwriting options so important? Well, basically, if you want a high probability or high probability option trading strategy, underwriting options or selling options is one of the best ways to go about doing it. In fact, it is even done by the world's richest investor, Warren Buffett. That's right, he's a value investor and he sold options on the index before. So that shows you that there are opportunities to make money selling options, but a lot of platforms do not, like Tiger, they do not support the underwriting of options. So Moomoo allows that, and that is why I absolutely love Moomoo. Just to give you a real life example, this is my Moomoo account. I actually deposited $800 and I basically sold put option for this company called Shift. So the way it works is that if this stock, which is currently about $8.20, if it falls below $7.50, I will buy 100 shares at $7.50 irregardless of the market price. It expires on the 18th of June and I got a premium of $50 by providing this contract. So right now it stands at the 80% profit. So what I did was I sold the option and I did nothing. Just like that, I didn't even manage my position. It gave me 80% return on my capital. So bear in mind, options are a derivative, so you do study options carefully. But once you understand how to underwrite option, Moomoo allows you to do that, and it becomes a very attractive play to sell options or sell put options on companies that you actually want to buy. And for my third most recommended accounts that you must open because they are giving a lot of money for free is a crypto account known as Coinbase. So Coinbase is amazing because if I switch over to Coinbase, for every referral you only get like $10 worth of Bitcoin, but what you can do is you go to the earn reward section, click on it, scroll to the bottom, and you realize that by learning how other cryptocurrencies work, they essentially give you free cryptocurrencies, which is it blew my mind. In fact, I earned as much as $70 in cryptocurrencies to watch simple PowerPoint slides, answering simple quizzes, and they pay like $3, $10, $9 just for you to learn how other cryptocurrencies work. So you don't even have to deposit any money. Just learn about cryptocurrencies and they give you cryptocurrencies for free. So I've gotten about $60 and it's very fast and easy. It takes you like less than a minute to answer each video if you watch it on times 2 speed like I do. So less than a minute, you learn, you answer the quiz, and bam, money into your account instantly. That's how good of a deal it is, and that's why I highly recommend everyone to learn how to earn rewards within Coinbase itself. Those of you that don't know, Coinbase recently just became public listed and therefore need a lot of money, and therefore they're educating the public about cryptocurrency. So why not grab some cryptos while you're able to, right? Sir, yes, sir! Okay, so that's my 3 main best crazy deal accounts, and the last one that I have, which is the kind of small deal, it's Google Pay account. I realize that there are still people out there that do not have a Google Pay account. So for me, I've been using Google Pay since like forever, and when they first started, they were giving out like $10 for you to just sign up for a new account, and I've gotten a nice $200 in referrals and savings because because every transaction I made, I use Google Pay and just tap and scan a QR code. So that's why it's been giving me free money, and right now you will still get $3 cash just for opening an account, and for every transaction made with Google Pay, you essentially get free scratch card, which has a lot of free money in it. And now I think recently they tied up with some other companies, so you get like Lazada voucher, Shopee voucher, GrabFood voucher, I think. So basically all sorts of different vouchers. So I highly encourage you to explore or download Google Pay. It's just a quick app on your phone, and I actually talk very extensively about Google Pay. So if you want to check out the videos, do check it out over, I think, one of the corners over here. So yeah, Google Pay has been around. I'm surprised people don't do it. So if you haven't, just sign up right now. Seriously, free money.
Okay.
So what I absolutely love about Google Pay is that it allows you to pay in all different methods. The NFC, the QR code, and more importantly, they allow you to stack your reward. So Google Pay pays you one reward, your credit card pays you another reward. So that's double rewards right there. So that's why I absolutely love Google Pay. You should consider it, like, if you haven't already. Alright, so that's it for this video. I know it's not an in-depth tutorial or review of each different account, and I apologize for that. The whole point of this is to share with you all the best lobang in one concise video. So this is the accounts or things or deals that I wish someone kind of told me. And if you have any other $100, type of deals, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will open the account with your referral code. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.